A week after the Arushi Hemraj double murder, the UP police claimed it was an open and shut case. And Arushi's father, Dr. Rajesh Talwar, was sent to jail. But as the CBI took charge of the probe, suspicion fell on the Talwar's clinic assistant Krishna and two others as the prime suspects. After 7 weeks in jail, Rajesh Talwar was released.
Very thankful to God. इन्होंने मेरी बात सुनी है. I'm very thankful to CBI. इन्होंने इतना मेहनत करी है, इतना एफर्ट करा है खुद फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. मैं इतनी देर के बाद अपनी फैमिली के बाद आया हूँ. It has been the biggest grief that I have ever suffered in my life.
Even Arushi's mother claimed that the truth had emerged.
All I can say is that our prayers have been heard and justice has finally prevailed. The truth is out in front of the world.
While CBI claimed Krishna had confessed to the crime in narco analysis, they failed to locate the murder weapon. Ultimately, the trio were released as CBI could not file the charge sheet within 90 days of their arrest.
We are confident that whatever they have done till now and whatever they would be doing would be the right thing and the correct thing for us and for the truth.
As the probe seemed to hit a dead end, the Talwars claimed their life had been reduced to grief and anguish.
We are mechanically living each day. Each day we get up, we work, we come back, and it's as if we're not existing on this level at all. I don't know how we're going to spend the rest of our lives. It's going to be a huge struggle for us.
But after the autopsy report suggested that the crime scene was dressed up, it was the turn of Arushi's parents to be put through narco analysis. As nothing came out against the parents in narco tests, and by December 2010, the CBI filed a closure report.
See, by this closure report, all I can say that the CBI has condemned us for life. They put all kinds of false allegations upon us without any shred of evidence. This has been a completely shocking thing for us.
Arushi's parents demanded that investigations should be reopened.
Let me tell you something. If something like this happens in your house and the police is there within an hour, after that, is the responsibility of the investigation mine?
And in early 2011, as the Talwars moved court, this happened. An attack on Rajesh Talwar outside the Ghaziabad court. Within days came the biggest twist, the court ordering the Talwars to stand trial. They resisted through the higher courts for a year, but finally Nupur Talwar was arrested. And in May last year, the couple were formally charged for murder, conspiracy and destruction of evidence, setting the stage for trial. And after 4 months, Arushi's mother got bail.
One day the truth will prevail. Our angel Arushi is here to protect us and help us. She gives us the strength and we will continue to fight for her.
Now 5.5 years after the gruesome double murder, the Talwars have been held guilty